Welcome to Like Health. Smoking can take a serious toll on your lungs, but did you know that certain foods can help cleanse and restore lung health? In today's video, we're going to share 5 amazing foods that can support your lungs in their recovery process. Stick around, because the last food on this list is one you won't want to miss. If you're ready to breathe easier and give your lungs the care they deserve, make sure to watch until the end. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is a powerful root that has long been used for its medicinal properties. It's known for its ability to help reduce inflammation and cleanse the airways. For smokers, ginger can be especially beneficial as it helps improve circulation and supports overall lung function. The antioxidants in ginger help to fight oxidative stress, which is often caused by smoking. Consuming ginger in teas, smoothies, or as a spice in your meals can provide your lungs with much-needed relief. It also aids in clearing mucus from the respiratory system, making it easier to breathe. Including ginger in your diet is a simple, yet effective way to support your lung health. Add it to your daily routine and notice the difference over time. Your lungs will thank you. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is one of the best natural remedies for lung health. It contains sulfur compounds that help detoxify the body and remove harmful toxins that accumulate from smoking. These compounds also support the body's ability to fight off infections, which can be common in smokers. Garlic is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce swelling in the airways and improve breathing. It can also help break down mucus in the lungs, making it easier to clear out toxins. By boosting the immune system, garlic helps your body repair the damage caused by smoking. Incorporating garlic into your diet can be as simple as adding it to soups, stir-fries, or even enjoying it raw for maximum benefits. It's a powerful, easy-to-use food that can make a noticeable difference in lung health. Try including it regularly for lasting results. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can benefit your lungs after smoking. It helps to reduce inflammation in the airways, making it easier to breathe and reducing the risk of respiratory diseases. Curcumin also works to fight free radicals, which are harmful molecules generated by smoking that contribute to lung damage. Regular consumption of turmeric can help protect the lung tissue from further oxidative stress and assist in the healing process. You can add turmeric to curries, smoothies, or even drink it as a warm golden milk. Its anti-inflammatory effects can help improve overall lung function and promote clearer breathing. Plus, turmeric is great for supporting your immune system and helping the body recover from toxins. Make it a regular part of your diet for better lung health. Your lungs will be grateful for this powerful spice. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support lung health. These vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the body and remove harmful toxins from the lungs. The high levels of fiber in leafy greens also promote healthy digestion and reduce inflammation in the respiratory system. Antioxidants like vitamin C found in these greens help protect lung tissue from oxidative stress caused by smoking. Regular consumption can also help improve lung capacity and enhance overall breathing. Adding leafy greens to your meals and salads, smoothies, or soups can easily incorporate them into your diet. They also support your immune system, helping your body recover from the damage caused by smoking. Consuming a variety of leafy greens can significantly aid in lung healing and support long-term respiratory health. Make them a staple in your daily diet for optimal results. Number 5. Apples. Apples are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for lung health. Rich in fiber and antioxidants, apples help reduce inflammation in the airways and promote better lung function. The high vitamin C content in apples aids in fighting oxidative stress caused by smoking, helping to protect lung tissue from further damage. Apples also contain flavonoids that support the immune system, helping your body recover from the harmful effects of smoking. Studies have shown that regular consumption of apples can improve lung capacity and reduce the risk of respiratory issues. Eating an apple a day can also help clear mucus and improve overall lung function. They're easy to incorporate into your diet, whether as a snack, in smoothies, or in salads. With their high water content, apples help keep the body hydrated and flush out toxins more efficiently. Make apples a daily habit for healthier lungs and easier breathing. Yes. Ginger, garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, and apples are powerful natural ingredients that can aid in cleaning the lungs from cigarette smoke, nicotine, and toxins. These foods are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that promote lung health and support the detoxification process. Ginger, for example, has been known for its ability to clear out toxins and improve airflow in the respiratory system. It can help break down mucus, which can accumulate in the lungs due to smoking, and reduce inflammation caused by nicotine exposure. Garlic is another potent remedy that enhances lung detoxification by boosting the immune system and helping eliminate harmful toxins. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, offers strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can help reduce lung inflammation caused by smoking and protect the lung tissues from damage. Leafy greens, particularly kale, spinach, and mustard greens, are high in vitamins and minerals that help neutralize toxins and promote overall lung health. Apples are rich in flavonoids and fiber, which are beneficial for lung function and respiratory health. Regular consumption of apples can reduce the risk of chronic lung diseases and enhance lung capacity. When combined, these ingredients work synergistically to cleanse your lungs from the harmful effects of cigarette smoke, nicotine, and toxins. Incorporating them into your diet alongside regular exercise, deep breathing exercises, and hydration can significantly improve lung function and support a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new